All right, Leo, today's project, 120 year anniversary edition, Harley Davidson Street Glide Special 2023. Bike is beautiful, basically brand new, stock. Guy's looking to upgrade his handlebars, so he contacted us. We're gonna go with some 14-inch Ape Hangers. We'll swap it out, do the cable kit. I'll show you before and after. But quick install for handlebars on this 23 Street Glide Special. I'll show you what it looks like. It's gonna look good. All right, Leo, we're back 2023, just like that. Same day service, handlebar installation with the cable kit. Went with the 14-inch Ape Hangers, as you can see. It's gonna be a lot nicer rider comfort for him. It looks good. 23 Street Glide Special, 120 year anniversary model. Bike is nice.